Here's how easy it is to turn a recipe from your cooking blog into a video using ChatGPT. Right off the bat, I want to clarify that this is not a perfect method and it will never replace an actual cooking video where you record yourself preparing the dish. However, it's an inexpensive and easy to produce way of showcasing recipes and driving some traffic to your blog. You don't need any recording equipment for this, we'll just be using AI to generate the videos. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. This works with a free ChatGPT account and it doesn't matter whether you're using the web version or the app. The first step is to access ExploreGPT. Here, search for free AI video and select Flixier Video GPT. Click Start and then type the following prompt. Please turn this blog article into a video script. I only need the text and nothing else. Step 2. Copy the recipe from your blog. Now go to your blog, copy the recipe, in this case a chili con carne, then paste it into Flixier GPT. Press enter and ChatGPT along with Flixier will generate a script based on your blog post. At this point, you can ask it to make your script longer or shorter depending on what you're looking for. If you're happy with the length, tell ChatGPT whether you want the video to be generated in a 9:16 vertical format for TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram, or go with 16:9 landscape if you plan to post it on YouTube as a longer video. This is also where you customize the voice. Pick between male or female and make sure to describe the narration style you're looking for. For example, you can ask it for a more enthusiastic voiceover. Step 3. Generate the video. Once you've given all the instructions, ChatGPT will pass everything onto Flixier and start generating the video. You'll need to confirm it and then simply click on the video once it's ready.
Step 1. Chop 1 large onion into small dice, about 5 mm square. Cut the onion in half, peel it, and slice into matchsticks without.
At this stage, your video is pretty much complete and looks pretty good. We'll still make some modifications in Flixier, like changing the style of the subtitles to something more catchy. We'll also go to the Media tab and regenerate a couple of the images since they didn't turn out exactly like we wanted them to. This option here also lets you upload the logo of your blog and display it on the video. Lastly, if you aren't happy with the voiceover, you can also change it easily. Just pick another voice from the dozens of voices that Flixier offers or use the cloning feature to generate a voiceover that sounds just like you. Final touches. Lastly, to add an extra touch of authenticity, click on Edit More and open your video in Flixier. Here, you're free to make virtually any edit you want, from changing the transitions to adding background music, adding extra text, and a lot more. If you have your own images and clips that you would like to use in the video, this is the time to add them. Just drag them over to the library area and then drag them down to the timeline to replace the AI-generated ones. Doing this will make your video feel like it's actually yours and make it stand out from the sea of AI-generated content out there. Check out the rest of our channel if you want to learn more about editing with Flixier, since we've got tons of free tutorials waiting for you there. And if you want to make your content even more engaging, make sure to watch this next video. Until next time, happy editing!